So I'm finding different, trying to find different, okay, different spots to find where it would unlock the easiest. Nah, I don't really like the, uh-oh, two of them. I think both of those are Death Lords too. Hey! 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 Yes, sir. Hey! What is going down, ain't it? Hey! Yes, sir! Hey, wait. Yeah, that was... Oh, okay, okay. I was about to say, I ain't think the Death Lord that broke. Them must be pretty broke. But when they're this common though, they end up, you know what I'm saying? Cause when you first start running into them, they start having like some of the best loot, you know, the ebony swords and, you know, great swords and mace, you know what I'm saying? You get a whole lot of stuff, you know, they usually have like more money and everything. But once you start getting higher in level and they start becoming more and more common, I knew that's what happened. Ooh, just missed me. Dang, it must smack. I smacked that mud, bro. Oh, wow. Watch out.